Shark Team. I know you're busy, so I'll get to the point. We found a way to grow Legionella bacteria on an agar plate. We want to market it to test for Legionella in water instead of using qPCR.
Just to let you know, we've studied this and know that modern qPCR is really hard to beat. It gives precise and repeatable results as nice genomic units. But give us your pitch.
Our method uses a special agar that we've developed to grow the bacteria. Then a trained technician counts the colonies and gives them number as colony-forming units.
Isn't this a bit primitive? Anyway, one Legionella bacteria in the water will create one CFU, right?
No. A CFU is what is grown, not how many cells are in the water.
Oh, I see. But at least does it detect all of the Legionella in the water sample?
No, it only captures some of them and unfortunately misses many of the viable Legionella. Also, recovery rate is low and results are not very repeatable. And it does take a skill to recognize the grown Legionella colonies.
That's not good. I prefer science over skill. How much time does it take to get this questionable result?
Well, it's really dependent on the water type. We can often get a count in 7 days.
Wait. Silence, please. Are you kidding? I'd have to wait up to 7 days compared to 4 hours for qPCR? So let me understand this so far. Number one, the proposed culture test can find Legionella in the water, but it might miss many or even most. Secondly, it takes 7 days to get an answer. Thirdly, the CFU is a colony that results from the genesis of many possible combinations of Legionella groupings, so it doesn't represent any consistent amount of Legionella. Another point is the Legionella are difficult to culture and grow, and then identify. So it can be quite dependent on a laboratory's skill and experience. And lastly, it's not really useful in quantifying or giving consistent results.
qPCR, on the other hand, is precise, consistent, provides results in just 4 hours of lab work, can identify Legionella species, Legionella pneumophila, serogroup 1, and serogroup 2 through 15 all in one step, does not require much lab training, may be more useful in linking bacteria concentration to risk of Legionnaire's disease, and is cost-effective.
Yeah, that about sums it up. But we think calling culture the gold standard could help sell it.
I'm sorry, but it sounds to me like the culturing of Legionella is really going backwards. I don't see a market for it. I sure won't be investing in it, unless you want to give me a huge royalty. Honestly, qPCR is the real gold standard.